Rise and shine, my seedlings. It's Miss Tonks and Huey and Louie, and we are here picking Brussels sprouts, as you can see. And it's so great to have a helper. Here, Huey. Can you put it in the bag, please?
Yeah.
Thank you. While we're picking Brussels sprouts, all we gotta do is see it's a good one. You can just twist it out. And there you go. Brussels sprout. Here you go, buddy. Thank you. You don't want to pick Brussels sprouts that's about to open all the way up like this. So you want to get them at least about 1 inch or 2 inches in diameter, I believe. Yes. Yes. All right, my seedlings. See you later. Bye.
Bye.